Alright, first you need 2 pieces of fabric that are 9 inches by 6.5 and 2 6.5 long pieces of elastic. So start by putting the pieces of fabric together. Begin sewing about halfway, 3/4, or 2/3 down the 9-inch, the long side of the fabric. When you come to a corner, you're going to stop and put a piece of elastic in between each of the pieces and then sew over it. And then turn your corner, sew down this side. And again, when you come to a corner, stop and then get the elastic. Make sure that's flat, not twisted. And bring it in the middle of each piece of fabric and sew over. And then sew down the long side. And then your next corner, take your second piece of elastic, place it in the middle, and sew over. And same thing, come to a corner, make sure the elastic is flat. Take the end, put it between again, and sew over. Alright, when you come to your last side, you're going to leave about a 3 to 4 inch opening. Because for that opening, you will need to turn it right side out. And when you turn it right side out, push out each corner. You can use a pen or your finger so that it makes a good corner. Alright, so now you're going to make 3 pleats on each side of the short side where the elastic is. If you do the first pleat in the middle, then you're able to make the pleats even. So do one in the middle, made a pleat like that, and then pin it. And another pleat on the side, and then a third pleat. And if you need to, you can take out the pins to adjust it so that they're even. And then do the same thing on the other side. Start in the middle and make your pleat. Make sure that it's going the same direction as it's folded the same direction as the other side so that it lays flat and is even. So one in the middle and then one on each side. Alright, so you should have 6 pins in your mask. And find your hole, and begin by sewing that up first. Right along as close as you can to the edge of the fabric. And you're going to sew all the way along the edge twice. And when you come to these pleats, pull the pin back as far as you can so that your machine doesn't hit it. And do these slowly so you don't break your needle or machine. If you need to, you can stop, lift the foot, and adjust the pleats so they stay even. Make your corner, sew all the way down. And the next side, same thing, pull your pins back. Make sure your pleats are even, and then sew over slowly. This one came uneven. Alright, the second time around, you are going to go over, try to go right on top of the last seam, just so it looks better, nice. Alright, once you've gone around twice, pull the pins out and cut the thread, and your mask is finished.